Yeah, that was my mission. I was head of planetary for 12 years. So everything from Messenger, Lunar Reconnaissance Orbiter, Dawn, New Horizons, flying by Pluto, Cassini at Saturn, Curiosity, Spirit and Opportunity, all those missions were mine. And the new ones we made just before I left and
So,
became chief
so we've
scientist
got a
were,
science question from our tech team over here. They want to know
yeah, yeah, yeah. What do they
how do
want to
you
know?
test a helicopter that's meant for Mars on Earth?
Okay,
It,
it's hard but possible. And how you do that is you go into a vacuum chamber. Okay, you take out all the air and you put in CO2 up to the pressure of Mars. Pressure of Mars is about 6 to 10 millibar, where a millibar is compared to Earth's atmosphere. The Earth's atmosphere is 1,000 millibar. Okay, so you have this really low pressure, and then you cool it so that the temperature is below zero. Okay, and then you have the helicopter in it, and you turn it on, and you run it.
Laughter.
Okay,
All right.
you watch its lift. You make a few maneuvers. You get it so that it works in the chamber at the atmospheric pressure of Mars. What will be important is it doesn't get blown over, which is also something you have to try to test. That's very hard to test. The winds on Mars can be as brisk as 120 miles per hour. Okay. Now, if you saw The
How many
Martian,
helicopters did you have to go through before one of them made it?
well, the first time it was in the chamber, it did this going to the wall thing, which we did not like.